The 8 best indoor plants for a healthy home. The healthiest houseplant is the one that matches your personal style, as well as daily schedule and routine. Many of the best plants for your health are easy to care for, so you can enjoy their presence and reap the health rewards. Here is a list of plants that not only look good, but can also boost the well-being of your home. Number 1. Aloe Vera. The aloe vera is a low-maintenance succulent with very good healing abilities. Aloe vera purifies the air by absorbing chemicals such as formaldehyde and benzene. Another interesting characteristic is that aloe vera releases oxygen and absorbs carbon dioxide at night. Therefore, it can be introduced in the bedroom to improve the level of oxygen at night and improve the quality of sleep. Number 2. Peace lily or Spathiphyllum wallisii. The peace lily plant comprises dark green leaves with white flowers on long stems. These plants have emerged as one of the best air purifiers for cleaning the indoor air. Peace lily plants are known to break down toxic gases such as benzene, formaldehyde, xylene, toluene and trichloroethylene. Another advantage is that these plants reduce the number of mold spores. Therefore, the peace lily can be a great addition to the bathroom as it shall help prevent the growth of mildew. Number 3. Spider plant or Chlorophytum comosum. The spider plant comprises long grassy green and white striped leaves and is easy to grow. The leaves of the spider plants can absorb toxic particles such as mold and other allergens from the indoors. It also helps in removing small traces of formaldehyde, xylene and toluene from indoor air. Number 4. Snake plant or Sansevieria trifasciata. The snake plant is a succulent with long tough pointed green leaves, often edged with golden yellow. It is commonly known as mother-in-law's tongue. The best part about the snake plant is that it converts carbon dioxide into oxygen. Since the snake plant releases oxygen at night, it is known to help one to breathe better while sleeping. Number 5. Boston fern or Nephrolepis exaltata. Boston ferns can grow well both indoors and outdoors. These plants comprise long fronds of leaves composed of oppositely placed leaflets. Boston fern works as a humidifier that releases moisture into dry air. This plant is efficient in eliminating small amounts of formaldehyde, xylene and toluene from indoor air. Number 6. English ivy or Hedera helix. English ivy is a climbing vine that can grow indoors and outdoors. English ivy has a unique characteristic which makes it stand out. These plants cleanse the air by reducing airborne fecal matter that can be a health hazard. Therefore, use English ivy to decorate your bathroom with plants. English ivy also reduces the level of formaldehyde, benzene, trichloroethylene, xylene and toluene in indoor air. Another plus is that English ivy can eliminate mold spores. Number 7. Rubber plant or Ficus elastica. These are easy to care medium-sized houseplant with round shiny leaves. The large leaves of the rubber plant draw in a large amount of contaminant and purify the indoor air. This houseplant emit a high level of oxygen and remove chemicals such as formaldehyde. Also, the rubber plant improves the air quality by converting exhaled carbon dioxide into breathable oxygen. Rubber plants eliminate bacteria and mold spores from the air. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe. If you found this video helpful, please share this video on your social media sites, such as Facebook, Google, or Twitter, so more people can see it.